Hey there, fellow marketers. Ever feel like your website copy is a little meh? Like you're saying the right things, but it's not exactly grabbing your ideal customer? And maybe those PDF lead magnets are just not getting enough downloads. Well, I've got a solution for you today, especially if you're a company like Wellness Co. selling eco-friendly products. Today, we're going to ditch the generic stuff and use the power of AI to give you hyper-personalized marketing magic. As usual, this is a made-up company name with made-up products. Here's what we'll cover today. We're going to build a lifestyle quiz. We'll use AI to craft questions that go way beyond just products. We're talking about zeroing in on your customers' values and pain points, the real reasons they want to live sustainably. We're going to go through personalized results pages, so no more one-size-fits-all messages. AI will help us create results pages that speak directly to each customer's eco-conscious journey. And then we're going to go over lead magnets that convert. We'll use AI to match the right resources to specific quiz results, plus craft irresistible email follow-ups. The tools you need for this are ChatGPT and Typeform. Let's dive in. So to start, we're going to build the hyper-personalized quiz. So let's bring up Typeform. Awesome. And this is free. It's great. I am going to start from scratch. And I'm going to name this the sustainability quiz. Okay, perfect. So I need all of these questions to be created, and I'm going to use ChatGPT to create them. Let's see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste my company, 2 issues, and the goal into ChatGPT. I'm going to say, here is my company, my products, my goals, and my issues. Do you understand? Amazing. So I'm going to pull from the document that says lead gen for Wellness. And this is still spitting out information, but yes, I understand. Perfect. So the prompt I'm going to use is generate 5 quiz questions for an eco-friendly product company. Questions should not be product focused, but about the potential customers' lifestyle and values regarding sustainability. So these are pretty good. I think they're a little bit bland and we can definitely do better. So I'm going to go back into that lead gen for Wellness document, and I'm going to grab one of the variation prompts. So I'm going to use, what are some common pain points eco-conscious consumers face when trying to be more sustainable? And I'm going to also say, refine these to be specific, and I'm going to do a little dash. It's just a way to create a little bit of variance. Plus, I always hate whenever I get a quiz. Like if I'm going to take a quiz, I want to see questions that I'm not used to seeing, not something bland. I want to feel like it's personalized for me, even if it's not. Okay, so this is perfect. This is actually helping me. If my company was actually Wellness and I was selling eco-friendly products, these questions would actually give me insight into my ideal customers. So I'm very happy with this. So I'm going to let it keep going. And you can keep tweaking for specificity. Obviously, these details will matter big time when we target messaging later. Awesome. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pull each question and the answers out, and I'm going to put them into Typeform. Okay. I'm not going to keep screen sharing back and forth for this part because I feel like everyone will just get really dizzy. And I apologize for the monotony, but I think it's important to show every step. At least I get annoyed whenever someone just shows me results and they don't walk me through exactly what they did, because sometimes I don't get those same results and I want to know that it's me or it's a communication problem on their half. But I want the results that they're getting. So I'm going to show you every single step I do. All right, so there's my first question. I don't know what I just clicked on actually. Okay. Great, there's one question. Can I add another question? Oh, right there. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to keep doing this for 2 through 5. And then when I'm done with the quiz, I'm going to personalize the results page. And I'll flip back and forth just for this one question so you can quite literally see me copying and pasting. All right, 2 more. We're almost there. I guess I could have only given them 3 options. 4 was a little excessive, but you never know. I like options. Maybe the audience will as well. All right. That was a hike, but we made it. Okay, so once you have all 5 quiz questions and answer choices in, the next part is personalizing the results page. Awesome. So I'm going to use AI and it's going to help me write customized pages triggered by answers. Remember, we want these to feel very relevant. So let's generate these. I'm going to go to my lead gen for Wellnest. Perfect. And I'm going to go into ChatGPT and paste this prompt. And it says, you took our quiz and care deeply about reducing single-use plastics. Write a compelling results page for Wellness Co. highlight solutions they offer and emphasize a sense of community with like-minded people. Okay. Perfect. Oh, you're a green guardian. Amazing. Love that for me. Okay. So then if you go back into Typeform, here's our sustainability quiz. You're going to click on create. Okay. And then over here, it's going to be logic. So basically, you can split your results page however you want. You can do an if then, which is the branching and calculations. You can do quiz and scoring. So like automatically assign points or endings, and then personalize with data. For this example, I'm going to use quiz and scoring, but if you want to really truly personalize your content for your prospects, I would highly recommend the branching and calculations. It's kind of like the equivalent of when you are enrolling someone in a nurture sequence in HubSpot. I like it. So here we go. Outcome quiz. And again, for simplicity, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them the same answer regardless of what their answer was. They're going to get the same results page. So all I'm doing right now is clicking all of the answers so that everybody, regardless of how they answered all 5 of these questions, sees the same page. And again, I would never do this if I was, where'd it go? I lost it. I would never do this if I was trying to personalize information in real time. But I don't think there's any harm in doing this for this specific exercise. That is so infuriating. Okay. I think they're all connected. We're going to save it. Okay. Yep. And then you could add a brand kit in here, but this is the free version. So we're not going to for this. There you go. You can integrate it directly with your HubSpot, Google Sheets, Google Analytics, Facebook, MailChimp. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, perfect. So let me play around with this for a second. I want to direct them to a URL. Nope, that was not the right one. Okay, perfect. So here is where I want them to see what ChatGPT wrote. So the congratulations on completing this quiz. So I'm just going to go through and copy and paste all of this. Oh, love ending with a special offer just for you. That's wonderful. Okay. We're going to go back to Typeform. And then here's what they're going to see, which is great. It's a bit much. I think I'm going to get rid of the special offer. And I'm also going to get rid of the join our community of eco warriors. The quiz is really just to get them excited. Okay, perfect. And I'm also going to get rid of the thank you. Yep. So right now it just says, congratulations, your quiz results, embracing a plastic-free lifestyle. Amazing. And then it's ending with ready to start your eco-friendly journey. Visit Wellness Co. today. Awesome. That works great. So now what I'm going to do, let's have AI suggest some matching lead magnets for each personality. So I'm going to prompt ChatGPT. And again, I'm pulling from the lead gen for Wellness Co. If you go down to section 3, I am going to copy and paste the quiz results prompt. So it says, quiz results show struggling to find eco-friendly products locally. Write 3 subject lines for a follow-up email. Because basically what I want to do is make sure that I'm turning this, I have like a full funnel plan after sending out this quiz. Okay, awesome. So I have 3 email subject lines. Just for fun, I'm also going to say, this is great. Can you create me 3 separate emails for each of these to send out to my prospects who took this quiz? So just to do a little bit of a recap, we just used Typeform and ChatGPT to generate quiz questions and create a personalized quiz for prospects to take. We created 3 email subject lines. Now we're fully creating 3 emails. Up next, we're going to create 3 variations of landing pages that we could send them to, with the assumption that afterwards we would integrate this with HubSpot or whatever our CRM of choice is. And then that way, after a prospect fills out the quiz, they are generating a lead, 1. 2, they're going to that URL that was personalized for them. And then 3, that URL, once they click on it, is going to trigger putting them into a nurture. And we have the first emails for all of those nurtures. Awesome. And here's the 3 emails. You always want to do a once over, make sure it's not saying delve or queries. That's always a true sign that you are using ChatGPT for. Okay. Perfect. All right, so now we are going to pull a prompt out to help us create landing pages. So let's see. We are under, if you're following along, the lead gen for wellness, we're under section 3. And I think instead of using one of these prompts, I'm just going to say, I need 3 landing pages to match these 3 different emails. I plan on copying and pasting the feedback into my HubSpot. I like to say what I'm going to be doing with the content. That way it can reformat it, whatever it generates, so that it matches what I need, which is perfect. So here we go. 3 landing pages to match those 3 emails. Depending on what they answered, they'll be directed to one of these landing pages, and it's all ready to go. So while that's still generating, I'm going to go ahead and go to the last step, which is, how about turning this quiz answer? No. How about turning all of these quiz answers into a targeted social media post? And I'm going to stop that because it's still writing emails. And for the sake of time, I want everyone to see what we accomplished in less than 20 minutes. This is awesome. Okay. So it's going to continue to generate. But just to recap what we've managed to do in the last 20 minutes, almost exactly, we have built a lifestyle quiz. We've developed personalized results pages from those quizzes. We actually created lead magnets that will convert. We created personalized landing pages to direct those prospects after they form filled the quiz out. And we are now ending with creating social media posts to promote this quiz. This is awesome. This probably would have taken me an hour if I would do it on my own, but I had managed to do it in 20 minutes. And now I have a ton of my time left, which is always great. So just to wrap this up, using AI like this scales smart lead gen for companies, in this case, Wellness Co. The beauty is the process gets the right people in the door first. So they're not just leads, they're potential loyal customers. This takes personalization to a whole new level. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more strategic automation tutorials. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.